how to get a student discount on YouTube Premium. You want to open up Safari or any browser and just search for YouTube Premium student discount. Now we will just open up the first link that says YouTube Premium student plan. It's going to show us something like this, introducing our student plan. Enjoy YouTube and YouTube Music ad-free. So here you can see the price. It's going to convert it to your currency, and it's basically the cheapest option. You also have the option to buy a family or individual plan, and if you scroll down a little bit, you can see all of the pros of YouTube Premium. And here again, pick a membership that fits you. You can do individual, family, or student. So if you click on try 1 month for $0, you can try it, see if you like the plan, YouTube Premium plan, and then it is going to charge you this price here under student. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.